We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring.
Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm on the eastern side of Sydenham station. Just going to have a look at the new Northern Concourse. However, I'm just going to show you bits of the last machine, guys. I shown it from the western side, so this time we're going to do it from the eastern side, and we'll take a look on it to whatever I can. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Just going to take a look at the new look Concourse, just starting from the eastern side to this time round. The only downside of it is that will change in due course. Sorry about the glare, guys. Friendly wave.
Please don't forget that drinking alcohol or plenty open alcohol drinks on the train or platform is illegal on the platform of $40
Anyway, viewers, looks like we have to take the stairs up.
Please stay clear of areas around stairs, escalators and no standing zones. Riding bicycles, skateboards, scooters or skates on the concourse or platforms is not permitted. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, is not allowed at this station. Fines apply. Thank you.
Anyway, guys, that's the safest I can from here. I'll be able to show you. Okay, g'day, you guys. I'm going to head back down to platforms 4 and 5. We're right underneath the flight path, guys. I'll use the lift. No, I can't. So I had to use the stairs. Before I head down. Just put the camera down on the asphalt just a moment. And you've been still seeing at Sydenham. Okie dokie guys, that's all I had to show you guys. There's not much I can film, and I have got no plans to do any train spotting here at Sydenham today, so I'm going to wrap up the video. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.